I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over you until you kissed my lips and saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stay in your arms without falling to your feet. But 'cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true in the games you play. You would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes. Will you hear forever? You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you, no, but there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true in the games you play. You would always and always win. 'Cause I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. I have to keep my voice down. Well, it burned while I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain and I threw us into the flames. Well, it fell, something died 'cause I knew that there was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I'll wake up by the door, that heart you call must be waiting for ya. Even now that we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain and I threw us into the flames. Well, it fell, something died 'cause I knew that there was the last time, the last time. I can't really do the end vocals because I'm trying to keep quiet, and yeah, and I'm still stunned about what I just witnessed. It wasn't pretty.